Hi again, this is Irfan with some unusual find today. I came across this Contax 35 camera. It's by size, Carl size. These are all mostly German cameras. This is Exakta VXIIP. Pretty decent shape. It looks like shutter is not working on Exakta. On Contax, it's working well. Pretty decent shape, keeping in mind its age. Looks clean. This was my recent find. And this Contax rangefinder camera again, by size. There were no lenses, there were only camera bodies. I in fact came across more camera bodies, but these were the kind of the best ones in terms of cosmetics. And to my surprise, Canon is working. Exakta looks pretty clean. Looks like it has seen some light use, not much. And so is the Contax. These are pretty old cameras. They were in a box with other camera gear, but no lenses at all. I picked up the box. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.